Welcome to this quick demo of the Snapshots for AI plugin for PHP Storm. In this video, we'll show you how this powerful tool can help you generate detailed markdown snapshots of your projects, making them machine-readable for your favorite language models like OpenAI's GPT, Anthropic's Claude, and X's Grok. Let's go ahead and get started. To help with this demonstration, we've created an example application that showcases different ways various programming languages output the text, "Hello World." It should help us quickly and easily demonstrate the capabilities of the Snapshots for AI plugin. To create a snapshot, simply click on the Create Snapshot icon in the toolbar. This will open the Generate Markdown Snapshot dialog. Let's explore the features of this dialog. In this dialog, you have several options to customize your snapshot. First, you can enter a prompt to provide context or instructions for your snapshot. Next, you have the option to include entire project structure. When selected, this option includes a detailed outline of your entire project, making it easy for any language model to understand the project organization. You can also choose to include all project files. This option ensures that every file in your project, excluding those specified in the config file, is included in the snapshot. This is particularly useful for comprehensive project overviews. In the checkbox area, you will see a list of files currently open in your editor. This allows you to laser focus on adding only the relevant code items to your snapshot, ensuring that your documentation is precise and not cluttered with unnecessary files. Finally, there's an Edit Config button that lets you customize the exclusion patterns and default settings for your snapshots. Let's select Include Entire Project Structure and Include All Project Files options. This ensures that our snapshot includes every file in the project, excluding those specified in our config file. This is crucial for creating a comprehensive machine-readable overview of your project. The snapshot file is saved in the .snapshots directory within your project, making it easy to access and manage. You can generate new snapshots as your project evolves, keeping your AI assistant up to date. Let's go ahead and paste the snapshot contents we generated earlier into a ChatGPT instance. We want to see how the LLM reacts, and if it considers our prompt and reads our application correctly. Next, we will want to use this opportunity to improve an aspect of our project. For instance, the readme.md files in our application are pretty weak. We could improve them by further explaining how to install the dependencies required to run their Hello World scripts. And success! We were able to make an improvement. And that's it. With Snapshots for AI, you can generate detailed, organized snapshots of your projects with just a few clicks. This greatly enhances your workflow by making your codebase machine-readable and ready for AI integration. Thank you so much for learning about the Snapshots for AI plugin. We hope you enjoy this tool. Bye-bye.